Yeah.
Sir, can you once again tell strstr function, sir?
Str.
Yes,
Means
sir.
it will. Okay, we'll go for the coding wise.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. What is str? That we write the definition only. What is the written type of str? Character pointer. Okay. What are the arguments we have to pass? Both are str. Na, we have to check whether the substring is present or not. That's why here we have to take both or as a constant character pointer.
Sir, screen not shared, sir.
Not share? No.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
This is not
Wait.
shared.
Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Constant char, whatever the string we are taking. But suppose substring na, take main str. Constant char, simply substring, substr. Okay, this is the function definition we have to implement. Now come to main. Yeah, in main, what we are doing, simply I am taking two strings. str1 is equals to, for suppose here I am checking na, hello, this is a test string. Okay, this is the my one string and my substring is I am taking as test. Okay, that means in this str1 my substring is present or not. If it is present, we have to print that address where is exactly is there. Means which index it will present. Now we are calling, like we are take one result, or else simply you can take directly also. If my str, simply you are passing str1 is a main string and str2 is my substring. As we discussed, if the substring present, it will return the where it index. What index it will present, or else it will return null. For suppose else means not found. For suppose on success means something, it will means substring present is there. That means it will return. That's why here we have to print like substring found at position. To get that result, you have to Simply, okay, you have to find not only index, if you want to check the index also, at that time what you have to do, irrespective of this one, you have to take another one character pointer, the result, or else simply r as the result I am taking. Here I am calling if my r is collecting with not equal to null, then I will get like my substring is present in that main string. Now I want to print the position. That's why here you have to take index value. That's why whatever the or means base address. That's why I have to subtract whatever the result I got minus str1 from that main string. If I am subtracting this one, I will get whatever the index. For suppose it is present at this position, I want to get that index position means it will return the index position. Na? That's why I have to return this index total, this position minus this address. Then I will get the index value. That's why I'm using this one. Else, substring is not found. Yeah. Okay, up to now we're checking. After we know what my strstr return what. It will return index value or base address where substring we got. Then after if not present it will tell null str. Now we have to implement our own str how it will works. Yeah. Now tell me what is your approach? As we said now, if for suppose if the substring is empty substring, then it will return main string only. But to avoid that, we have to check whatever the substring is there. If it is equal to null, simply you have to return catch the main str. Okay, this is one scenario. In another scenario, for suppose we have like the substring is present. In this scenario, we have to traverse until we have to get the substring. For that, we have to take one loop. While whatever the main string is there, na? Main str is there until we have to reach null. Okay, while traversing, what we have to do? We have to store main and substring values. For that, I am taking another pointer. For suppose p1 is equals to, for this I am assigning main str. Another one I am choosing substring for another pointer. Now I want to compare the character of main string and the substring. For that, again I have to run another loop. In that condition, we have to check until same scenario. Before we are saying whatever the P1 not equal to null, and star P2, but the second pointer also not equal to null. And one more thing, we have to check whatever the main substring is there, equal to, that is also we have to check. Our main thing is until we have to get the same substring. We have to loop in this loop only. For that, we have to check P1 is equal to P2. This is the only main logic you have to remember. Here we have to increase our P1 and P2. See, this is for traverse our main string traverse up to null character. While traversing, what we are doing, first whatever the main string is there, that is assigned to P1, substring assigned to P2. Now P1 and P2, like whenever you got until you have to reach P1 and, for suppose it is match first character of substring and main string, until it will reach the substring. For suppose first character match, second character match, but until it will reach the P2 become null. Okay, then it will come outside. For that, we have to check these two conditions. We have to traverse until we have our main condition, this one only. We have to find this substring. For suppose this condition fails while traversing P1, P2 not equal, then it won't enter into this while loop. It will iterate here only, outer while loop, until it reaches the null character. Whenever the character match of the main string and substring, then only it will enter into this loop. Got the point? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir. Got it.
At that, we have to check if the end of the substring is reached, return the null position means we have to reach null character of the substring. Then only we have to return. Until unless we don't need to return anything. That's why here we have to check whatever the substring we are taking P2, in P2 we are storing. If equal to null means until null character it will iterated in the inner while loop. Then only you have to return. Catch that substring. Substr only, substr, yeah. Or else, not here. Whenever this inner loop means you are iterated completion, then you have to increase this main string. Wait, I will minimize this one. See, this is the one loop we are taking our main string. Is it clear or any? For visualization, I am minimizing this one. This is our main logic here we are implemented. Our main string started, we have to traverse up to null character. While traversing, what we have to do? First, we are storing our main string and substring both to the P1 and P2. For suppose, if the first character is matched with the P1 and P2, then we have to traverse until we have to check whether the substring is present or not in that location. If not, simply terminated, then again it will incremented, main string part incremented. From there onwards, means substring means what? For every character from main string, the substring is present or not. Okay, I will run the code. After that, you will get the better clarity. For suppose, even though traversing after null character, in that scenario, what we are saying on failure, it will return null. Okay, just implementation done. I am run the code. Test is at -5. No, what we are doing? Result only, na? Test -5. Result not equal to null. Yeah. Substring only we are passing. Whatever the result we got is stored in R. str only. -5 we got by 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Okay, first what we're doing, this is for traversing. Guys, anyone finding the bug or any doubt? If you are any finding, just let me know. Meanwhile, I will also checking. See, first one is for suppose, yeah. Let's checking the all scenarios. For suppose this is a scenario, it will return main string only. If I am run position 0 means this is the substring it will return. Or else if it is means this is not present in the substring, it means it will return null, means substring not found we are expecting. Okay, substring not found means these two cases successfully run, means now something it will return, but what exactly we have did. For suppose if I am using this substring, I am passing same -5 what? Guys, you people understand why these two conditions I'm writing. These two are successfully run, two scenarios. But whenever the substring is present, we are getting -5. Anyway, first suppose if it is substring present or not, this is the scenario. Anyway, we are not, as of now, we are not achieving the exact index location. Okay, we'll fix it this here only.
Sir,
Yeah.
you written R minus str, sir, in main condition. Into main.
Yeah,
So,
int main.
substring coordinate position R minus str1. R means what the location we found the substring.
Yes, highest
str1
location.
minus R we have to, yes, str1 minus
Oh.
R we have to do.
str1 means base address, na? For suppose it is 1000.
Okay.
What is its address? It is increased, na? That's why I'm writing this one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Not the substring. Here we have to pass main string only. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we are. Yes. Here we are modified the main string only. But here I am returning substring. That's why I am getting the -5. Here we have to pass main string only. Return. If you run this, see 7. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7. At the 7 index, I have this substring. For suppose if I am passing here test. See the output 17. Means up to now 7 na? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.